Guys, this is another way to gain your 4,000 watch hour. I'm so happy on this one. Like I said, let me come here and tell you guys, because this is another update. So with this method, you are going to gain your sure bet. You are going to gain your 4,000 watch hour very fast. Just do it exactly the way I taught you. Just do it that way. You are going to gain your 4,000 watch hour in no time. Like I tried this on 2 accounts. Like these people gained their 4,000 watch hour within 1 month. Like this is so amazing. This is so powerful tool that you can use to gain your 4,000 watch hour very fast. Make sure that you watch this video till the end, because I gave an important tip that will help you, that will back you up with this method. So make sure that you watch this video till the end so that you will not miss any part. Like if you miss any part, you can get confused about the whole method. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. I'm so happy. That's why I came here to share with you guys. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you are still here, please, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. Let's dive into the method.
This thing to do is to go to your YouTube Studio app. You can do it in your YouTube Studio desktop version, but I'm using the Studio app. So if you go there, then you tap on this plus icon, then upload a video. If you upload a video, you come down, scroll down, you will see this invite a collaborator. So what is exactly is invite collaboration? So what this means is that YouTube now allows you to upload a video and invite another creator to share that exact same video on their own channel. Is this not amazing? That means your one video can appear on multiple channels, reaching multiple audience at the same time. This is so good. This is so sweet. So here is how it works step by step. So after uploading the video, click on the invite a collaborator. Add the channel name. Like let me say, for example, I type in Princess Chiamaka. So it will bring me to this page. Here they said your collaborator can view video details. So they say allow analytics viewing. So if you want your collaborator to see how the video is performing, like what is really happening on that video, then you turn this on. But if you don't want, then you turn it off. As you can see here, they said they won't have access to any revenue information. So if you want them to see your revenue on that video, then you turn it on. So after doing this, then you click on create link. They will bring you to another page where they will say to invite your collaborator, you must copy the link and share it with them. The link is active after you upload. So this is just them telling you that you should copy this link and then send to the person that you collaborated with. So before we continue with the tutorial, now let's talk about why this is so powerful for hitting 4,000 watch hour. Normally, if you upload a 5-minute video and you get 1,000 views, that is about 5,000 minutes of watch time. But with invite collaboration, if that same video is also published on 2 other channels, you could easily triple your watch time without creating more videos. I don't know whether you get it. Like if that 500 views you get will be, if you share it to two more channels, it will be 1,500 that you get. So this means that small creators can team up with their friends, like share each other's content and grow way faster. Their audience will be watching your video and your audience will be watching also their video. Here is a quick example. Let's say you make a tutorial video about YouTube growth. You invite 2 other creators in your niche to share that video using collab feature. On your channel, it gets 300 views. On their channel, it gets 500 views. And on the 3rd channel, it gets 700 views. That is 1,500 in total views from one single video, which means 3 times the watch hours from the same effort, the same video. Like imagine applying this to multiple videos, your watch hour will climb way more faster. I'm still going to tell you how to share the link to your collaborator, but let me first of all tell you the part I said you should wait for, the secret that makes this method even stronger. Don't just rely on the collab video alone. Always connect your collab video to a playlist. At the end of the collab video, add an end screen pointing to a playlist. In the description, drop the playlist link and even pin a comment with the playlist link. This way, when new viewers come from your collaborator's channel, they don't just watch one video, they end up binge watching your whole playlist. That could turn one 5 minutes view into 30 minutes of watch time. Like, this is so amazing. So how you can share the link with your collaborator is that you can go to the person's email and drop the link there and ask the person to please to accept this collaboration, or you can go to the person's WhatsApp if you have the person's number, or even in their description video, like, you beg them to please accept your request. And please make sure that you guys are in the same niche. Not when you are requesting for collaborator, you are into how to do videos and style and tutorial videos, and you are requesting for a cooking niche to accept your color. It's not possible. So when you do that, anytime the person accepts your request, your videos will be showing on their page. Their audience will watch your video, and that is it. So if you are serious about getting monetized, start using YouTube invite collaboration updates. Find other creators in your niche. Make sure that the person you are requesting for gets more view more than you, not just the same mate, like you are getting the same view with the person you are collaborating with. Make sure that the person gets more view more than you. So share your videos and push viewers into playlists. This is the smartest shortcut to hit your 4,000 watch hour right now. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments who you do love to collab with. Trust me, if you use this update the right way, you hit monetization way more faster.